Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Thank you all for being here, and thank you so much for all your support. I really do appreciate it. Joe Biden has said once again, if a stimulus package is not passed by the time he takes office, he will release a fury of executive orders. Y'all, while this sounds good, and I believe that he will try it. He said he will do it, and I believe he will try. But if you remember, President Trump tried to do the same thing, and we found out real fast that the president does not have this power. They still have to get it passed through the House and the Senate. Now, if he can do this, President Trump couldn't. But if he can do this, I say good for him, and I hope he does. Y'all, now this is funny. Check this out. Whether you like President Trump or not, this is funny. President Trump is looking into pardoning himself to get protection from all the lawsuits for wrongdoings. Y'all tell me in the comments what you think about this. I think this is real funny. You're going to pardon yourself? Whether you like President Trump or not, that's funny. The UK has approved the COVID vaccine for emergency use only, and they are in the process of getting it passed out already. They're moving fast, and I believe the United States will too once we get approval. And that approval is coming real soon. It may be even today. Mitch McConnell looked at the stimulus package proposal from the bipartisan group of senators, and he said it's a big waste of time. Y'all, if you remember right, Mitch McConnell wasted so much time by just sitting on everything and not doing anything, saying that we need to put the brakes on spending. He wasted a lot of time, and now he's got the nerve to say that these senators' proposal is a big waste of time. At least they're trying to get something done. Now, I've seen what's in their proposal, and I don't like what's in their proposal, but at least they tried. But this is what the Mooch Man wants in his stimulus package. He wants legal liability protection for businesses and corporations. This is to help his rich friends. The extension of unemployment for only 1 month. What is 1 month going to help? A second round of PPP funding. As you know, $455 billion was not used last time. It was not needed last time. But if you remember right, his wife and her family took PPP money for their business. So could that be the reason he's so gung-ho about more PPP money? He wants to get his hands into it. He wants money for testing and vaccine distribution. Money for schools and post offices. But no stimulus check is in this proposal. McConnell says he feels the stimulus package will be part of the government funding bill. So what do you think about this? No stimulus check in the stimulus bill. To me, that's not very stimulating at all. Let me know in the comments what you think and how you feel. Now, I do feel like with all the negotiation that they got going on with this bill, there is a good possibility that there could be a stimulus check added into it. But as of right now, there is no stimulus check. Let me know what you're thinking about that. Y'all, please watch the video popping up here now, and just know Jesus Christ will see us through this. Please pray every day and pray hard that our government leaders will have a change of heart and help the American people. For once and for all, help the American people. Say a prayer for our leaders. Say a prayer for our people hurt by COVID. Say a prayer for everyone hurt by our government. And just know I love you all, and we will get through this. Please watch the video popping up here now. It was my wife's show last night. We don't talk about stimulus there. We don't talk about politics there. We just have a lot of good, laid-back, homegrown fun. And there's a lot of people that really enjoys our show. It's every night at 9 p.m. If you've never seen it, please check it out. And if you don't like it, you don't have to go back. But please check it out one time. I love you all. Until next time, I love you all. Ciao.